I'm Mike Harpster. I am president of Capital Electric Wire and Cable. We're located in New Berlin, Wisconsin. We're wholesale distributors of wire and cable, specifically industrial grade products and network infrastructure. And so Rubicon, it's a complete package. So with the exception of payroll, we run their entire company on this platform. Through the years, we have discovered incredible values to this because we have complete visibility of every single item in our inventory, and not just the raw quantities, but the specific available reels. In our world, linear measurements are really crucial. A contractor cannot use a cable that's too short. He needs to get exactly what he asked for, specific lengths, and Rubicon excels at that. The added features that they keep bringing into the system just enable us to scale and grow. You know, there's all sorts of vendors that have rules, different ways of quoting projects, such as journal billbacks or ship and debits, and the Rubicon system makes that seamless. So the user group is phenomenally successful for us. We've probably come to a dozen of them. And, to meet face-to-face and have accidental conversations is incredibly helpful. Presentations are great. You know, the lightning round is fantastic. You get to learn about the latest, greatest and all that. But the real value is having a conversation with a peer or a competitor that addresses a problem a different way. And today, as a matter of fact, I learned there's a whole new way of handling an issue that we've been struggling with. So incredibly valuable.